In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to do exchange on BoloUp live streaming platform. So if that interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So let's go to the practical aspect of the video. So once you want to do exchange, you open a room or you join any other room to do exchange. The next thing you need to do is to agree with the person on how much you want to exchange and what coin you are going to use to do the exchange. So once you agree on that, the next thing is you have to click on the person's profile picture that is sitting in the room, and then you come and click on this gift icon. It's important you do it this way so that you not send to multiple persons. So you click on this gift icon. If you click on it, you come and select normal, because if you do mistake and select lucky this time around, that means it's gambling, it's no exchange. So you click on normal and then select the particular amount. Let's say it's 10,000 coins. Now you check the one that is 10,000 coin as agreed with the person, then you send. But before you send, ensure it's one time, except if you want to do it multiple times, just that one time, then you send. So when you send, the person will receive and the person will do the same. You can actually also check the comment section to see what is showing. And if the person say he have sent to you, you can also check the comment section to see if truly the person have sent to you. If it is network, you just wait a bit and you will see it. And as well, I want to show you how to know what level you are and how much you need to go to the next level. So on your dashboard like this, you just click on level. You are going to see what level you are, and you are going to also see how many coins you need to exchange to move you from the level you are to the next level. So thank you so much. This is how to do exchange on BoloUp live streaming platform. If you are interested in other apps that you can use to live stream and earn money, in the description of this video I will drop links, playlists of all the videos, and links to sign up on all these live streaming platform. If you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section of this video so that I can reply to you with a link or with an answer to what your questions are all about. So thank you so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.